Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn equation of line in different forms. Equation of straight line. What does it mean? Relation between two coordinates or variables is called equation of line. Now let's look at different forms of equation of line. First form of equation of line is equation of line passing through origin. Now consider line passing through origin as shown in figure, and consider any general point with coordinates p, x, y on the line. Hence slope is equal to tan theta is equal to difference in y coordinates upon difference in x coordinates. For taking difference in y coordinates and x coordinates, let us consider 2 points. The first point is origin with coordinates 0, 0, and the second point is point P with coordinates x, y. Therefore slope m is equal to y2 minus y1, that is nothing but y minus 0 upon x2 minus x1, that is nothing but x minus 0, which implies y is equal to mx, which is the equation of line passing through origin. Second form, equation of line in slope intercept form. If we lift the line passing through origin, then it cuts y-axis and we get y-intercept c. If we carefully observe this shifted line, slope of line won't change. But to balance the equation of line, we have to add y-intercept to the right side of equation. Therefore, y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of line with slope intercept form. Here value of slope is m and c is y-intercept. Third form, equation of line in slope point form. Consider any line which may or may not pass through origin. Consider known point P with coordinates x1, y1 and another any general point Q with coordinates x, y. As we know, slope m is equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Now rearranging the terms, we can write y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of line in slope point form. Here m is the slope and x1, y1 is a known point and x, y is a general point on line. Fourth form, equation of line in double point form. If you know any 2 points on the line p, x1, y1 and q, x2, y2, then slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Keeping this value of slope in the earlier equation of line in slope point form, we get y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Rearranging the terms, we can write y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. This is the equation of line in double point form. Fifth form, equation of line in double intercept form. Consider a line having x-intercept as small a and y-intercept as small b. Therefore, coordinates of point capital A are small a, 0 and coordinates of point capital B are 0, small b. Therefore, slope of line AB m is equal to b minus 0 upon 0 minus a. Therefore, slope is equal to minus b by a. Now, from equation of line in slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c, putting value of slope as minus b by a in this equation, we get y is equal to minus b by a into x plus c. In this case, as y-intercept is small b, let us replace value of c by b and we get y is equal to minus b by a into x plus small b. Therefore, y by b is equal to minus x by a plus 1. Ultimately, we get x by small a plus y by small b is equal to 1. This is the equation of line in double intercept form, where small a is equal to x-intercept and small b is equal to y-intercept. Sixth and last form, equation of line in normal form. Consider a line as shown in figure. If we drop a perpendicular on line from origin, then equation of line in normal form is given by x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p is the length of perpendicular from origin on line. And that's it. I will be back in the next video with another important basic concept. Till then, goodbye.